Now that we have created our POS panel for the stores, now it's time to show you how to assign that panel to a location. To do so, we are going to navigate over to Locations. And then within Locations, we are going to select one of our stores and then click the green Modify pencil. After clicking the Modify pencil, that will take us to the Edit Location page, where on the first tab, the Details tab, at the very bottom, we can see POS panel. Clicking this will show us a drop-down with a list of all of our existing POS panels. From this list, all we need to do is select the POS panel that we want to assign to the location, and then just click Save and Close. And that is how you assign a POS panel to a location within the FastTrax Control Center.